Drink told me the plan and I say I'm with it. We jumped in the car and went straight to the riches. Yeah, we went straight to the riches. He told me this one gon' bust both of our wrists. I told him he playing, he says no gimmicks. I told him let's get it, I told him let's get it like.
Yo, famo, we is back, man. We got the troops. We got Nunnie the third, feel me, and Glizz pushing my buttons.
Nah, turn that up.
God, this beat tough right here. I like this.
I said, 3 deep on the road, we behind. I know I hopped, I got hands muffin', so I don't know why they keep pushing my buttons. See that back out, bro, they dumpin'. Until had them little niggas running, yo, Tata, I think these niggas started something. Biggie BK, no, we not with the front, and KG stay with me, he not for discussion. If it's lit, then it's lit, niggas say that. I got Savage with me, he gon' spray that. Nick Blick died, they ain't get no payback. Mally got shot with a fucking face. We them troopers on my niggas clap heat, and I'm blocking whoever don't jack me. Y'all never been, y'all only wanna rap beat. Get off the net and go hop in the backseat like, fuck whoever feel away.
I ain't never been on shit, nigga. Get out the stool, nigga, and get in the backseat. Show me something, nigga. Hold up.
Payback, Mally got shot with a fuck is his face at. We them troopers on my niggas clap heat, and I'm blocking whoever don't jack me. Y'all never been, y'all only wanna rap beat. Get off the net and go hop in the backseat like, fuck whoever feel away. We flicking on anyone jacking his cake. Niggas be politicking on the net to see me and never have nothing to say. I don't get it. All them niggas cap a lot. We got hands and all our pistols clap a lot. Never needed done when niggas know I bop you. Talking about the quickest way to get you shot. Enough for the playtime. Got OG in a cup with a spray now. Spot him, got him, flock him, it's a FaceTime. Gotta walk with that G on my waistline. I thought eat it and cut, I don't waste time. On that mountain block, we had a great time. Free bug out, DA made him take 5. I just hope he don't come back on that same time. I'm a wax star, everything shot down. That's a dizzy thing he getting.
I think bro right here might be my favorite. Cause in the first song y'all made me react to, he went first. I think he might be my favorite. Let me back. For me, DA gave bro 5. Hope me and him don't come home in the same time. Hold up.
See me and never have nothing to say, I don't get it. All them niggas cap a lot. We got hands and all our pistols clap a lot. Never needed done when niggas know I bop you. Talking about the quickest way to get you shot. Enough for the playtime. Got OG in a cup with a spray now. Spot him, got him, flock him, it's a FaceTime. Gotta walk with that G on my waistline. I thought eat it and cut, I don't waste time. On that Mally block, we had a great time.
On that Mally block, we had a great time.
I just hope he don't come back on that same time. I'm a wax star, everything shot down. That's a dizzy thing, he getting flocked down. Try to blitz us, then you gon' hit gra sounds. We'll go gra, down. We gon' put me in tracks if you not tough. I'm like trying to study my pop up. Do not drop no addy, we do pop ups. One in the addy should've had his Glocks up. Every time they see us, they run. And we not even able to dump. We just tryna have us some fun. Try and get another op nigga run. Leg shot, obviously nobody spun. Troopers bowling on court like the Suns. Devin Booker in the top can't run. Like why would y'all tell me y'all stripping no gun? Like God, we back at it. I'm back on that shit like a crack addict. He took one to the chest, now he asthmatic. Real nigga not into the backstabbing. God, obviously right capping. We don't cold playing, boy, we got mad gadgets.
I like that one. Real nigga not into the backstabbing. Cause a lot of y'all niggas be into that backdoor shit. Feel me? I like that ball.
Nobody spun. Troopers bowling on court like the Suns. Devin Booker in the top can't run. Like why would y'all tell me y'all stripping no gun? Like God, we back at it. I'm back on that shit like a crack addict. He took one to the chest, now he asthmatic. Real nigga not into.
He said he took one to the chest. He forgot his ball. Feel me? He's supposed to go like this. He hit one to the chest, nigga tapped his head. What the fuck?
Troopers bowling on court like the Suns. Devin Booker in the top can't run. Like why would y'all tell me y'all stripping no gun? Like God, we back at it. I'm back on that shit like a crack addict. He took one to the chest, now he asthmatic. Real nigga not into the backstabbing. God, obviously rap capping. We on court playing, boy, we got mad gadgets. 2D2 not till was mad tragic. And we play with numbers like it's mathematics. God.
Now that was cool. Let's see. Yeah, that was cool. I give that one like 7.3 though. I give it like a 7.3. Feel me? 7.3. I like the beat though. The beat was cool. Feel me? The balls was cool. The balls was alright. I like the video. Feel me? Let me know though. Let me know how y'all feel though. Let me know how y'all feel. Feel me? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Go shop up, gangy. Y'all already know the vibes, man. You give life a new meaning when you dream, and it's your boy Dream. And I'm out of here, gangy.
Fake niggas, we don't do those. Fake niggas, we don't do those. Hard code, weirdos, weird.